heels on my tippies. Don't say ain't Gabbana, that's on my titties. How me bet.
Hey beauties, welcome back to All Things Janae. If you're new here, my name is Janae, and on this channel we make beauty, lifestyle, travel, nursing content. And today we are going to be doing a deep cleaning video. So for my girlies that like to freshen up their home, make their home smell good, then this video is for you. I'm going to be showing you all my smell good items that I use to clean my home. I just had my family visit a couple days ago, and I've been real lazy, okay? I'm just going to be honest. I've been real lazy after they left. I had to like recoup, get my energy back up. So I didn't clean when they left right away, but we are going to be doing that today. We're going to be disinfecting, cleaning, making this house smell good, wash the towels, linen, all that good stuff. I'm not looking cute, okay? We looking busted because we don't look cute over here. We get down and dirty when we get cleaning, okay? Because I want to make sure that my house is disinfected and smelling good. I don't care about looking cute when I'm cleaning. So if that's what you're looking for, baby, go ahead and exit now, because it's not giving that over here. I'm also going to be doing a grocery haul in this video too, because we're supposed to be having a hurricane this week, and I just want to make sure I have like all of my groceries and all of that good stuff. I did grocery shopping, so I don't have to do much, but I just have to get like hurricane groceries, I guess, so to speak. So we're going to be doing that as well. Today is going to be a productive day of getting this house together, okay? I'm probably going to do a little meal prep as well, because I do have to work towards the end of this week, and I want to make sure I have lunch and stuff for work. So we are about to get it together, okay? We are about to get it together. We're done lounging around, being lazy, and if you've been lazy and haven't been cleaning up, girl, get up. Get up and clean with me right now. Let's go. Okay, so normally I don't even eat. I haven't even ate anything yet. I'm about to just swallow this banana and call it a day before I clean, just so I can have something in my body before I clean. We're gonna have our playlist going. We got our coconut water, and that's gonna be our meal before we clean. Yeah, when I'm in the mood to clean, I just like to get to it, get out the way, and then I do all my eating and all that stuff after. But yeah, my kitchen and stuff isn't really dirty because I keep my house clean for the most part. We're just disinfecting and really getting down and into it today. So I'm assuming it shouldn't take me that long. I think my room and doing my laundry and stuff is what's going to take me the longest, but it shouldn't take me that long. So I'm going to eat my banana, drink my coconut water, and then we're going to get to it.
Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so it seemed like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but I am done with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now I'm, flexing on my exes and my model legs. Pretty little, skinny little bitch.
And this is why y'all need to make sure you move your stove. I clean this pretty often. As you can see, I still got like food and stuff on the side of the stove, and this is why I make sure that I move my stove out when I'm deep cleaning. And then it's not that much food back here that fell down, but we making sure we get this cleaned as well. Make sure you move your stove. I cannot eat at your house if you don't clean behind your stove, baby. Because what? No. Clean behind your stove. Thank you.
Body model legs. Some of y'all ain't never had no real bitch, and it shows. I keep it 100 from my head down to my toes. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the move. Touchdown in my hometown, got nothing to lose. I am on my own now, I am in control now. I need you to go now, I can fix my own crown. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. up, hold up, watch me go up, leave you so stuck. I'm back and I'm better than they. One bitch on my level, ain't no question, I'm a legend, baby. Don't ever forget it. No, you see me rolling in this rose gold, so cold. Oh no, I can't fuck with lanes like you no more.
I wish y'all could smell my house right now, and I'm not even finished, and it's already smelling good. Like, this is why I love to do my deep clean. The products that I'm using, I'm telling y'all, they smell amazing. I'm about to dust and mop my dust and wipe down my walls. I got this thing off of Amazon. This is like the duster side, and then this is the side to mop the walls or wipe down the walls. This is the stick here that I'm using. It's pretty long, so I can like really get inside or get high up on my walls because I have long walls. I highly recommend that you dust and mop or wipe down your walls because this helps your house smell good, and it also helps your walls look good too. You should be wiping down your walls and stuff. This is what it looks like for the duster side. I'm just gonna go ahead, dust the walls first, and then I'm gonna wipe down the walls. Okay, so my vacuum broke, so we're gonna have to sweep the rug and sweep inside the chair. I just had to put that disclaimer out there. I would normally vacuum out my chairs and vacuum my floor in the living room, but we have to wait for another vacuum. Probably gonna go pick that up today or look on Amazon. I don't know. The last one I got on Amazon broke, and I'm kind of like skeptical about getting another one off of Amazon, so I may just go to Walmart and pick up another one. But in the meantime, between time, we still got to clean this house. We are almost done. It's kind of taking me a little bit longer than I anticipated because I don't know. When I begin in my mood, and I just start like finding other stuff to clean. But we're about to do these chairs, clean these chairs as well. This isn't going to take long at all inside the living room. It's really the kitchen that be taking the longest for me because I really be trying to make sure my kitchen is clean because that's what we cook and stuff at, babes. But the living room normally doesn't take that long for me. So had to put that disclaimer out there. Let's get back to it.
And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on going back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna bump me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cool without you. Without you. Do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on going. See, my days are cold without you. Without you. Without you. I trust in you, I trusted you. So sad when love will make you do all the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get straight to leave, you always tell me that you need me, and I'm weak 'cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you can learn to appreciate.
Alrighty, so we are almost done. We are at the last stop, the bathroom. We got to disinfect the bathroom. My room wasn't really dirty like that, so you really didn't see me clean too much in there. I just really need to make my bed. My sheets are already clean. I just washed them, but the room wasn't dirty. We just really needed to disinfect the bathroom and the outer space where like all of my guests was really at for the most part. But we're almost done. My house is smelling so good so far. I wish y'all could smell it. I'm gonna try to push through up to this grocery store afterwards because I'm tired, but one last stop, y'all. Let's get it. Yeah.
And it all remains the same, that you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change. My baby, oh baby, and my heart can't take no more, no more. See, my days are cold without you, and my heart can't take no more, no more.
You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we're falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting it. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But you can say you love me when it's like.
So we have finished cleaning up. I went to the grocery store. I didn't need to get a lot of groceries because I just went grocery shopping not too long ago. I just got a couple things due to the hurricane, and then I got some more household stuff. So in the middle of me cleaning up today, I broke my mop, so we got another mop. And then, like I was telling y'all, the vacuum has been broken for a while, so we got another vacuum. Got a couple items to like snack on. Like these are Jamaican patties, but this is Beyond Meat, so vegetarian meat. I got some yogurt, some more butter, bananas. I feel like I OD'd it with the water though, because I got 80 bottles of water for this hurricane. And I don't know, maybe it's just me growing up in Florida. The hurricane really don't be phasing me because I know it ain't gonna be much of nothing. But I think I OD'd it. So we're gonna put this stuff up. Like I said, I didn't get many items for real. I really just needed to get some bottles of water just in case. We have like snacks and stuff. I'll probably like go get some bread tomorrow. But I really don't want to because I don't want to like get it and then taking it serious. But I just know that I don't eat bread normally, so I don't want like bread to go to waste if it's no hurricane. It's the end of my deep clean / grocery haul. Even though I didn't take y'all with me, that was because my SIM card was full, so I had to purchase a new one when I went to Walmart. But I did show you guys some of the items that I got while I was at Walmart. And yeah, that was pretty much it. This was a long, eventful day, but we did it. We completed it. I'm ready to relax. I'm gonna go to the gym first, come back, eat some food, and then we're gonna call it a night. And yeah, I feel good. I feel good. We knocked some things off our to-do list. Thank you guys so much again for tuning in to All Things Janae. Don't forget to like, comment, hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. This distance is taking a hold of me.
for sure, baby girl.